Hi everyone, in this video we will be doing more logs. I'll just tackle two tricky questions with logarithms, so sit back and watch. So here's the first question. It's a over b to the power of log 0.5 times a over b to the log of 0.2. So now this here, it means we have this base right here to the power of this. When we multiply bases, we always add their exponents. So the base is a over b, and as we said, when you're multiplying, we add the exponents. So we're going to add log 0.5 plus log 0.2. Now also the log rule says if you're adding two logs, you could combine them under one log and multiply these two right here. So that's a over b to the power of log 0.5 times 0.2, it gives you 1. So now, if you remember, log 1 is, so remember, log 1, the base here is 10. If we don't write it, that's 1. And what does that equal? So the rules, the first rule in logs, you know, this raised to that power gives you this. So 10 raised to the power of what we're looking for gives you 1. So, you know, 10 to the power of 0 gives you 1. So therefore, log 1 will just give you 0. So that becomes 0. And therefore, a over b to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 just gives you 1. And that's the answer for the first one. The second question is log base 2, 10, times log 48 minus log 3. So here, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to combine these two logs. So I'm going to write this as log base 2, 10, and it just means times this. So, and this here, when you combining logs and it's a minus sign here, you could combine them under one log by dividing the 48 and the 3. So 48 over 3. And therefore, this here will be log base 2, 10 times log 16. So of course, this question, we cannot use the calculator. All these questions, we cannot use a calculator. You have to do it without a calculator. So what else can we do here? Log base 2, 10, you cannot do it. You don't know 2 raised to the power of what gives you 10. That's going to be like a decimal, you know, 3 point something, but we don't know. And we need to answer this with exact value. And log 16, the base is 10. 10 raised to the power of what is 16? We don't know that either. But one thing we know in the laws of logarithms, that if we have log base ax, we could change a base and change that to log x over log a. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do here. And I'm going to see what it leads me to. So log 10 over log 2, because the a here is the 2 and the x is 10. Here we don't write the base. When we don't write it, that means there's a 10 that we don't write. So therefore, this will be the x is the 16 and the a is the 10. So this becomes log 16 over log 10. And of course, when you're multiplying, we could reduce diagonally. So this reduces with this. This is gone. And what I end up with log base 2, 16. So what's this asking you? This is asking you 2 raised to what power gives you 16. Of course, 2 to the power of 4 gives you 16. So the answer for this one is 4. And this is it. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to hit that like button. Comment if you like on the video. And don't forget to share with people who could benefit from these videos. Till next time, bye-bye.